Learning to speak English fluently and flawlessly is a dream for many people. Whether you are learning English for work, school, or travel, speaking confidently can open many doors for you. The good news is that you don't need to be a genius or spend years studying to achieve this goal. With the right approach and consistent practice, you can improve your English speaking skills quickly. In this video, I will share 3 simple tricks to help you speak fluent English flawlessly. Let's take it step by step. Trick 1. Think in English. One of the biggest challenges for English learners is translating thoughts from their native language into English. This process slows down your speaking and makes you less confident. The solution: start thinking in English. Why is thinking in English important? When you think in your native language and then translate, it takes extra time and effort. This can make your speech sound unnatural or hesitant. Thinking in English helps you speak faster and more naturally because you're already using English in your mind. How to practice thinking in English? Start small. Begin with simple everyday thoughts. For example, when you wake up, think, "I need to brush my teeth." Or, "What should I eat for breakfast?" Use simple sentences at first. Describe your surroundings. Look around and name objects or actions in English. For example, "The cat is sleeping," or "The sun is shining." Talk to yourself. Have imaginary conversations in English. For example, pretend you're ordering food at a restaurant or introducing yourself to someone new. Use a notebook. Write down your thoughts in English. This will help you practice forming sentences and expressing ideas. At first, thinking in English might feel difficult, but with practice, it will become a habit. The more you do it, the easier it will be to speak fluently. Trick 2. Learn phrases, not just words. Many English learners focus on memorizing individual words, but this can make speaking difficult. Why? Because in real conversations, we use phrases and sentences, not just single words. Learning common phrases will help you speak more naturally and confidently. Why are phrases important? Phrases are groups of words that native speakers use every day. For example, instead of just learning the word hello, you can learn the phrase, "How are you doing?" or "Nice to meet you." When you learn phrases, you don't have to think about grammar or word order. You already know how to use them correctly. How to learn and use phrases. Focus on common expressions. Start with phrases that are used in everyday conversations. For example, "Can you help me with this?" "I don't understand." "What do you think?" "Let's go out for dinner." Practice with context. Learn phrases in the context of a situation. For example, if you are at a coffee shop, practice phrases like, "I'd like a cup of coffee, please." Or, "Can I have the bill?" Repeat and use them. The key to remembering phrases is repetition. Say them out loud several times and try to use them in real conversations. Listen and imitate. Watch English movies, TV shows, or YouTube videos. Pay attention to how native speakers use phrases and try to imitate them. By learning phrases, you will sound more natural and fluent in English. You won't have to pause to think about each word, and your conversations will flow more smoothly. Trick 3. Practice speaking every day. The third and most important trick is to practice speaking English every day. Just like any skill, speaking English requires regular practice. The more you speak, the more confident and fluent you will become. Why is daily practice important? If you only study English from books or apps, you might improve your reading and writing skills, but your speaking skills will stay the same. Speaking is a physical activity. It involves using your mouth, tongue, and voice. The only way to get better at it is to practice regularly. How to practice speaking every day. Find a speaking partner. Look for someone who speaks English well and practice with them. This could be a friend, a family member, or a language exchange partner. You can also join online language communities or apps like HelloTalk or Tandem. Record yourself. Use your phone to record yourself speaking English. Listen to the recording and identify areas where you can improve, such as pronunciation or grammar. Speak in front of a mirror. This might feel strange at first, but it's a great way to build confidence. Practice introducing yourself, talking about your day, or describing your favorite hobby. Join a conversation group. Many cities have English conversation clubs where people meet to practice speaking. If you can't find one in your area, look for online groups or forums. Set small goals. Challenge yourself to speak English for a certain amount of time each day. For example, start with 5 minutes and gradually increase to 15 or 30 minutes. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Mistakes are a natural part of learning. The important thing is to keep practicing and not be afraid to speak. Bonus tips for fluent English. In addition to the 3 tricks above, here are some extra tips to help you speak English more fluently. Listen to English every day. Listening helps you learn new words, phrases, and pronunciation. Watch English movies, listen to podcasts, or follow English-speaking YouTubers. Expand your vocabulary. Learn new words and phrases regularly. Try to use them in your conversations to make them stick. Work on your pronunciation. Pay attention to how native speakers pronounce words. You can use online tools like Google Translate or YouTube tutorials to practice. Be patient and consistent. Learning a language takes time. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Keep practicing, and you will improve. Conclusion. Speaking fluent English flawlessly is not as hard as it seems. By following these 3 simple tricks, thinking in English, learning phrases, and practicing every day, you can make huge progress in your speaking skills. Remember, the key to success is consistency. Even if you practice for just 10-15 minutes a day, you will see improvement over time. So, start today. Think in English, learn useful phrases, and speak as much as you can. With time and effort, you will be able to speak English fluently and confidently. Good luck.